If you've ever said, I want to start a business, but I have no idea where to start, I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling within 10 minutes, and literally 10 minutes. This is perfect for those who want to sell digital products or print on demand, and you will need no coding. So let's just get straight into it. Fastest way to get started is to choose a product that you can launch immediately. So choose a niche that you're interested in, something you have knowledge about, or you can easily find the knowledge you need for it. This could be a digital download like an ebook, a guide, a template, a printable, a mock-up, or a print on demand product like a printed mug or a t-shirt, something that you don't have to hold the inventory for. You just have to design it and sell it. You will not be able to start a physical product business in 10 minutes, unfortunately. That's going to be a whole other ball game, and you can definitely watch these videos to find out how exactly to do that. So let's just get into creating our product. So we're going to head to Prompt Cowboy, and this website right here is my new little gem. This is where we are going to create the perfect prompt for our product. So for this video, we're just going to go ahead and create a guide for taking care of protective hairstyles. So I'm going to head into Cowboy and I'm going to ask it that I want to create a no more than 10-page ebook that is going to break down the basics of protective styling. I want it to share examples of the different protective styles. I want to share how to maintain them, what to do to wash them, how long you should have them in, also the benefits of protective styling. And then I want to plug in Oso Curly, which is my satin hair accessories brand. So as you can see here, it's created a much more detailed prompt, and it's also asked me for questions that can make the prompt even more detailed. So now I can just copy and paste that into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to work away. Within a minute, it's going to create me the whole copy for that ebook. So now we're going to go ahead to Pinterest and we're going to search for some inspiration. You can also use Etsy for this too, and you can just search protective style or natural hair or curly hair ebook, and we're just going to get an idea of what's out there, what looks good, how we want ours to look. Then we are going to head to Canva and we're going to search for ebook templates that kind of match the style we're looking for. Then we're going to simply create the ebook, copy and paste the copy into the ebook template, hit download as a PDF, save it onto your computer, and now it's time to upload it to where we're going to actually sell this product. And here's where Everbee Store comes in, because this is a great platform for you to be able to create a website in 10 minutes that you'll be able to actually sell this ebook on. You will start with a simple prompt. We can even head into Cowboy Prompt again and explain to it that we're trying to write a prompt for Everbee Store. Please be as detailed as possible with branding and what the ebook is about and how we want Everbee Store to create our website. So then Everbee Store is going to work its magic and we have a operating website. Now we can just upload our digital product, name it, create the product description, which you can again use Prompt Cowboy or ChatGPT to create those descriptions and the title. Then all we need to do now is promote that product and start selling. So here is where we are going to copy our store and our product page URL, and we're going to be sharing that daily. So it's going to go in all of our social media platform bios. It is also going to be used in stickers on Instagram stories. You want to be plugging your products every single day. I used to think it was too much, but I feel like you can do it quite organically and naturally within stories, and it's a great way for you to get those direct clicks straight to the product. You can also start to plug that link into WhatsApp groups that you are in. And if you have an email marketing platform like OmnisEnd, which I use, I have a code for it down below too, you can start to mail that URL into emails that you send out to your subscribers. If you need help with what kind of posts that you should be putting up to promote your product, you can simply try some like these. You can post a TikTok that is showing off the product. You can also create Instagram Reels, TikToks, Shorts that explain why you created the digital product and a bit about your story. You can add it to your Instagram bio via a highlight. So you can create a highlight for that ebook and then explain in a few slides everything about it and a link to the ebook. And remember, your first 5 to 10 orders usually come from people you actually know. Be sure to share it with friends and family. I know there is a lot of stigma around friends and family don't support you. Usually your first few sales will come from the people closest to you. So utilize them, get them to share reviews, and then you can repurpose those reviews as content. And then once your first product is live, do not stop there. You want to start to create a catalog of digital products. For example, I have an ebook, I have a course, and I have a guide. You want to just keep creating digital products that can live on your website that you're selling on, and people can buy passively. And remember, digital products are free to create. The most money you're going to spend is on subscriptions if you want to invest in a pro account of ChatGPT or Canva Pro. That's the most money you're going to spend, and you will make it back once you are starting to sell enough. That is realistically how you can start selling products in 10 minutes. If this video helped you, subscribe for more, and also tap the like button. Let me know down below what business or digital product you're going to be selling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.